What would happen if Earth was hollow from inside? The idea of hollow Earth has appeared in folklore the world over, and it is not a new one. Even mentioned by astronomers like Halley in their work. Discovery. We have obviously now determined that our planet is not hollow from the inside. It is composed of layers from the inner core to the crust. This was discovered by seismologist Inge Lehmann in 1929 by monitoring an earthquake and determining the kinds of waves it produced. These waves behaved differently in liquids and solids, providing us the evidence that Earth's inner core is not empty. But what if our planet really was hollow? Answers. First, we would have to dig a hole all the way through the shell of the Earth around 100 feet deep. The hole should be big enough to have stairs to the bottom. Assuming that our hollow Earth is perfectly spherical and the shell has uniform thickness and density, we would feel zero gravity as we would enter the interior of the planet. The same of weightlessness would be experienced inside the interior of hollow Earth, doesn't matter how deep we are. Spiral staircase. Walking down the spiral staircase of a 100-foot deep hole would be a very interesting experience according to the results. We would feel gravity of 1 g at the surface of the hole, but halfway down the hole there would be only half a g of gravity, meaning our feet would experience only 50% of our body weight. Moving down the last steps to the bottom of the hole, our body weight experienced by our feet would be very less than our normal body weight. As we go further inside the black void of the interior, every part of the body below the hole would experience zero gravity. If at some time any body part is still inside, example the head, the weight felt would be only 0.5% of the actual person's head. Working. The mathematics involved in calculating the changes as we ascend down the hole can be calculated through just using Gauss' law and putting things as assumptions. There would be basically a linear gravitational gradient along the length from 1 g at the top to 0 g at the bottom. A person walking down the steps would experience this gravity along the length of the body. Difficulties. The scary part would be to fall into the 100-foot hole and be forever lost in the interior of the planet. Anyone lost near the dead center of the interior would have no visual reference points, not even the stars, to navigate, and would have no sense of up or down. Also, without the scientific assumptions not in place, things would be pretty dangerous as well. The outer shell would collapse into the inner one, which can be explained through the working of the gravity. There is absolutely no reason that the crust of the Earth would float without anything to hold it. Well, this question is interesting to think about, but the practicality is much more complicated. What are your thoughts about this topic? Do let us know in the comments below.